Well, hello again, students, and welcome to another lesson using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2022. In this particular lesson, we are going to continue with another assembly for the hydraulic arm called the arm assembly. So I'm navigating to the assignment. I'm scrolling down to the arm assembly. You see here, I'm going to start with part 17, 18, and 19. Those are the infamous fingers. So without further ado, click New, Standard IAM, Create. That's an assembly. And you'll see the word Place. So you want to go up there in the upper left, Place. If you see hydraulic arm, then you know you're in the right place. Otherwise, go up, up, up to Remote User, double click, G Drive, double click, scroll to hydraulic arm, double click, and then you'll find part 17, wrist block. Click. And then hit Escape. Then I'm going to right click and ground it. Boop. Now I can place the fingers. So I'm going to place fixed finger 18, click, hit Escape, and then also place fixed finger 19, movable finger. Click, hit Escape. Okay, and then I'm actually going to take it a step further, scrolling down. I'm going to find part 1, that's the arm. So I place the arm as well. Place the arm. Click, hit Escape. And part 12. So I'm going to place part 12. Let's find it. Rear pivot block. Click and open. There it is. Okay, and there were 2 pins. If you want to be very deep into this, you'll place part 5 twice. Place the finger pin. Just a once and a twice. Okay, so I just continue to refer back to I'm looking at it here in the same angle as I see it here. Okay, and so on this side, you'll find I guess it doesn't matter, the movable finger. Let's just insert. Here's how you do it. You constrain, insert, click, and you're going to use the insert tool to select here on this circle, and then you can rotate, and you've got to select on the inside here on this ring here, click, and apply. Okay. Now, as you know, I keep saying ground it, so that means this piece will not move, and I hit Escape, and I can just flip this and see. Aha, that looks right. So return to the constrain tool and use the insert tool yet again. I want to select this ring here, click, and it's got to be I can see where it has to sit right here on this ring. Click and apply. I'm going to look at it from top view, and then as you can see, I can rotate it around, and there. Now, here are the finger pins, so you can go constrain, insert, select this ring, and if it's poking out the wrong way, you just select the other tool, click, and apply. Again, select this ring, and apply. And there it is. Okay, so this is the movable finger. This is the pivoting, this is the fixed finger. So what I'm going to do is use the constrain tool, constrain, and the angle tool. Here's angle, and select the 2 angle solution. Click, And I'm going to select this face here and this face here and apply. And now this finger will not move, as you can see, but this finger will. Okay, now I'm going to constrain this dowel, this arm, I'm going to insert it inside. Don't forget, you'll have to be in the insert tool, the insert tool right here, constrain, insert, click, and then go all the way inside, click, and it's inserted, apply. And then you can do the same here on this end. It's still in the insert tool, click, and you're gonna flip it around and insert it inside of this block and apply. Okay. Now, if you'll notice, they're turned 90 degrees. So what you want to use is the angle tool again. So constrain, angle, select the top of this block and the top of this block. Oh, two angle solution. This block, and then apply. And then return to the picture here. I think there was another part 11. So I'm going to return and select place, navigate to part 11, click, in there. And I'm going to constrain and select the insert tool, select this ring, select this spot ring right here, click. Oops, cancel that. I selected the wrong hole. Constrain, insert this hole and this ring here, click, and offset by -1, actually just 1, offset 1 inch, and apply. And use the angle tool, select the angle tool, solution 1. The top of this has to be flush with the top of this, click, 0 degrees, apply, and there. If you look at it like this, it should look like this, which it does. So there you have the arm assembly. Just take a good note. I'm going to put it in view. I'm going to put it in perspective view for you. Rotate it around a bit. And you know what you got to do. Make an image. Hit print screen. Turn in that image for more assignment credit. I hope this video helped you. Good luck.